Yesu haleluya pila iyokwesa bakolina
Jesu Kristu inkosi. Jesu Kristu inkosi. Ngiyabingelela nonke egameni Nkosi yethu Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Ngokwegama Ndimo emihle wamagwane. Apha phambili ndizobonga uNkulunkulu ngakonke akandenzela khona empilweni yami. So recently I got a scholarship to I got a scholarship from Allen Gray. So this being teacher my teacher was grade 6. So okay, she told nabanye abathomba abayithu nabo, but then when they didn't really take it to heart, or they didn't take abenza effort yabo. So ngathi ngiqalela so sa apply no mama. So ngikuthi uNkulunkulu has been with us throughout this whole journey till go since I don't know how many Sundays are left. Two Sundays. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how many Sundays I'm left with, but then I think it's 2, if not 1, because kule any Sunday there. So ngiyambonga ke uNkulunkulu because bena ndisibuza ukuthi kanti na why ngizongena ku grade 6 na 12 kodwa abanye bangena ku grade 6 bena 11. I used to ask myself and wonder nje benilona this blame and blame nje, putting the blame on anyone nje yabo. Ngibuza uNkulunkulu ndithi kanti uNkulunkulu kanti mina why ngizoqala kwa pre-R then ndithi R, kodwa ukhazini yami who is like 6 days younger than me, yena uwa grade 8 as we speak, and I'm still in grade 7. So kanti I didn't know uba it was icebo likaNkulunkulu. This it taught me ukuthi uNkulunkulu akawenzi ama mistakes. Thina nje, who are we to blame him, because he knows ukuthi yena how did he plan like sidala and all that. He knows. So infundisile ukuthi ngingabomblame uNkulunkulu, and ngiyabonga ngale imfundiso leyo. So ngiyabonga ne-support kulabo abanipheya ne-support. Kodwa kakhulu ngoNkulunkulu. Amen. Yes. So I'll be going in a few weeks. The last time I checked, it was 21 days. So Mara, ndiyakhuleka kuNkulunkulu ukuthi angincede ukuthi ngingashintshi indlela, ngingashintshi xa senifika phayana, i-peer pressure ingani-influence nje, nginga-influencer into bad things. Nakhona kwesasikole it's an Anglican school, but ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi abazali bambalekile foundation, so I know what I'm expected to do phayana. I know, and I ask God ukuthi angincede ukuthi ngingathathi nami amasiko wabo ukuba Anglican. So ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokungipha abazali abakholwayo abayile kahle foundation. Ngiyakhuleka futhi ukuthi abancede bale i-foundation nabo Nkosi, because it's very important ukuthi abantwana babe introduced to Jesus from young age. So yeah, just Christmas.